I am a freelance writer and I've been doing freelance writing for about 4 years. I have never been employed and I've made all my money in freelance writing. Hi guys, freelance writing is one of the best online jobs we have worldwide. And many people are doing it, including me. I am a freelance writer and I've been doing it for a few years. And it will be fair for me to say I have never been employed and I've made all my money in freelance writing. On this video, I'll be talking about how to become a freelance writer or how to start off in freelance writing. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Sarah. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel. Do not forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed, and also give this video a big thumbs up. I am a freelance writer and I've been doing freelance writing for about 4 years, and this video I'm talking everything about my experience. I'll give you a guide concerning my experience on what you should do and what I think you should not do out of my experience. And the first thing that you should do is to learn the skill. Learn how to write articles. There are different types of content that you can write. For example, articles, blogs, product descriptions, SEO, social media content. There are different types of content. So the first thing that you should do is to know the type of content that you want to write and what path you want to follow. Start researching and learn how to do it. The second thing that you should do, and in this second point, I have two things. These are 2 points in one. You can either decide to niche down and follow a path, or you can decide to jump onto the job boards. Now, these two are important because on job boards, you're going to get jobs faster, but if you niche down, you're going to get more money. So the best thing that I would advise you to do is to first niche down. Know what exactly you want to do. Do you want to talk about fashion? Do you want to talk about health? Do you want to talk about entertainment? Learn what you want to do first and niche down. By niching down, I mean you specialize in one exact thing, and this specialization will help you be able to get clients faster. I would advise anyone who is starting off in content writing to niche down, because it is easier to get one paying job if you have specialized or if you've niched down to one specific thing. For example, health, fashion, anything that you have interest in would be the best thing for you to niche down with. Niching down will help you easily get on job boards and also on other big companies that give out jobs, for example, Craigslist or ProBlogger. So it is very important to niche down. So the best thing would be niche down and then start applying jobs on different job boards. And once you niche down, you would be writing free articles or free content for people or for companies, or you can even guest post on some of the websites that are in your niche. The third thing you have to do after now you've niched down is to create a portfolio. A portfolio is like a document or just something to showcase that you can actually write. You can have it as a document, or you can have it as links, or you can easily go on Canva and create your own portfolio. And this one is very important. So any job that you do, either free, paid, or even guest post, this is where you include it on your portfolio. And I would advise you to go on Canva and create a portfolio, because it actually allows you to link other website or other site onto this exact one. Once you have a portfolio, it will be easy for you to get jobs or to apply for jobs, because instead of writing a whole page cover letter or something, once you have a portfolio, it will also be easy for you to apply for jobs or even get jobs, because instead of writing a whole cover letter or something, you'll just be sending potential clients or anyone searching for writers your portfolio, and they can decide from there. After you've built a portfolio, the next important thing is to create an online presence. At this age, it is very important to have an online presence. So the next thing that you do is to decide what platform you want to use. Do you want to use TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, X? Any platform that you want to use, create an online presence. I would advise you to create an online presence according to the customers that you want. If you think your customers are more on Instagram, go and create an online presence on Instagram. This one will help you be able to get customers easy. As for me, I am a writer and mostly I do academic writing. And the more I talk about it, the easier it gets and the easier I'm able even to get clients out of it. The final thing to do is to start applying for jobs. It is not as easy as it sounds to get your first order or to get your first gig in freelance writing as a beginner. And therefore, you should apply for jobs daily. go on different job boards. Go on Upwork. Make sure you apply to between 2 to 5 jobs in a day. Go to guru.com, freelancer.com, ProBloggers, Pregrit. On these different platforms, make sure you apply for jobs daily. This is going to maximize the chances of getting your first order as fast as possible. So do not just sit down and not say there are no jobs. Go on different job boards. I started with job boards before I even could be able to create or buy an account. Make sure you put in the work of searching for jobs, because now you have everything set. You just need one client and the others will flow in. And of course, once you get your first client, it will be very important to make sure you deliver high quality content, because one client can easily refer you to 10 other more clients. So always remember, even when you're searching for your first client, quality is very important and referral is very important. This industry, one of the things that have sustained me in the industry is referral. Like, I work with one person today and the next day they refer me to another person. The other day they refer me to another person. Make sure you always deliver high quality work. Anyway guys, it is very easy. I didn't want to put in a lot of unnecessary information on this video. I wanted to be it short and straightforward. Anyway guys, that is it for today. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and also like the video and also share. And in case you would want to learn about academic writing, I have a very detailed ebook for just 500 bob. I also have a course for just $50 on 5,000 Kenyan shillings. For more information about my course, make sure you watch this next video. See you on my next video.